Hello everyone, I'm Allie from EUCO, and I'm here today to show you the unboxing and setup process of your new Kingsong wheel. And when you open the box, you should find first your manual and the charger. And for the Kingsong 18XL, it should be at 84.2 volts, 1.5 amps. Remove the foam core from the top and your wheel should be underneath. So let's get it out. Now that we have the wheel out of the box, let's start the setup process. When you turn your wheel on for the first time, it should be in transport mode or lock. So let us unlock the wheel by connecting to the app and pressing the unlock button at the bottom of the selection. And that should unlock your wheel. Now that we are unlocked, let me show you what the app has to offer. On the main screen, you have the battery life on the left, the temperature on the right, and the speedometer in the middle. And down at the bottom, we have the horn, the lock button, the power button, and the headlights. And in order to access the rest of the settings, just touch the top right corner. Starting with the speed setting, you have the choice of setting your wheel to your speed of comfort before your wheel tells you you're going too fast, as well as a tilt back function in case you can't hear your wheel. We have the light settings with different modes for the RGB lights, as well as settings for your headlights. You can control the volume of your wheel, as well as connect through your Bluetooth speaker to play music through your phone. There's horizontal calibration, which I will be going over later in the video. We have different riding modes. We have hard mode where the pedal is stiffer. We have easy mode where there's a little bit more play before the motor catches up to you. And then normal mode where it's somewhere in between. And then scrolling down to the bottom, you can turn on and off the lift to stop running switch, which means when you lift the wheel by the handle, the motor will shut off. You can adjust how much of an angle your pedal can dip front and back, as well as adjust how much tilt to the side before the motor shuts off. And lastly, you can set how long the wheel can stay on while not in use before it turns itself off. Now before you start your first ride, there's a few things you need to do. You need to charge your wheel, fill the tire, and calibrate your wheel. For the charger, you simply just plug one into the wall first, and then you plug the other end into the back of your wheel. The light on the brick should turn red when it turns on, indicating that it's charging, and when it's finished charging, it should turn green. To calibrate, we're going back to the app, and we're going to the selection I showed you before for calibration. It's going to give you a couple of prompts on how to calibrate your wheel. First, we lean it up against something that is stable so it stays still, and I'm going to use a leveler to know that it's leveled. And then you confirm that you're setting in calibration. It's going to shut your wheel off, and you level it just so that the bubble is in the middle, and then you'll turn your wheel on. It will beep 4 times and then give one long beep and turn itself back off, and then you turn it on again. And you should be calibrated. To fill the tire, lay the wheel down on its side and spin the wheel until you find the stem valve. If you cannot find it on the first rotation, flip the wheel over and spin it again. Remove the cap and set it aside, and then attach your air pump to the valve. I'll be using an automatic air pump, but any pump with a matching connection nozzle will do, even a hand pump. For the 18XL, I recommend filling the wheel somewhere between 35 to 40 psi to start with and see how that feels. Then adjust it accordingly to your ride style, since the tire pressure greatly affects how your ride feels. Then once you're done filling the tire, just replace the valve cap. Now that's all done, grab your helmet and have fun. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, just leave some comments down below. If you like this video and would like to see more, just like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Peace.